You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same show. So please be quiet, I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same show. So please be quiet, I'm being polite.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's Big John here. That's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how I caught a $6,000 trade on gold using nothing but support, resistance and market structure. That's right, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on my chart now. I'm on Xauusd. I'm on the 4-hour chart currently at the moment. I've got my usual setup, which is the TDI. There's a nice clean chart as well here. And we're just going to go into how I managed to sort out this trade and catch this trade. So what I managed to do this time is usually you'll see me say I'm going to draw my Fibonacci on the 4-hour time frame. But because I can't really see all of price going back here, I wanted to check my historical price data, price action data. What I did this time is I clicked on my screen, I went over to the daily time frame, and then now you can see I can see a lot more of price action. I can see a lot more of price action around here. I'm gonna click on my screen again. I'm gonna press this button right here, which is to add an object, and then I'm going to add a Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to take my Fibonacci retracement tool. I'm going to draw from my swing high here all the way down to my swing low right here. Let's bring it in a bit so it's not too far out. Just right about there. Now I can see my possible levels in the market, which might be key levels, could be good support resistance. Some people call it supply demand, whichever way they like to call it. But for me, I just call it key levels. I keep it nice and simple. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on this tool right here. I'm going to press my screen one more time. I'm going to go back to objects. I'm going to now add, by pressing that plus button at the top, I'm going to add a rectangle tool. And from the rectangle tool, we can see where price did stop. And this is where price was around and hanging around that area on Friday when it finished NFP. So we're just going to draw it to where it was. So I'm just going to draw this here at the moment. Let's bring it down a little bit. And then I'm just going to go down my time frame to adjust it if I need to. So let's just bring this here. That's not good there. And we'll bring this in a bit. So that here. Cool. I'm just going to go down to my 4-hour time frame. And you can see here, I've got a better representation of what I'm looking at here. You can see my zone. Let's also change this to a red color. So now you can see this is a sell zone for me. So when we zoom in here, we can see clearly what happened. So on Friday, price managed to buy up some more, straight all the way up to this level here. So I wouldn't have been able to draw this zone just yet that I've drawn now. But when it did stop here on Friday, rejected and sold here. Even on Friday, I was able to catch some pips on this as well. But you can see right here, when it stopped at this zone right here, then now come market close, and while I was waiting to do my technical analysis, I was able to draw the Fibonacci I just explained and this zone. So I've left that zone there. Reason being is that once again, we can see right here on the left, look what happened. Look how much price dropped when it touched this level before. Look how much it dropped. So this is telling me that this is most likely a key level in the market. Look at what happened. So now, when we go back over here, what else am I looking for when I get to this area right now? Right now, I'm looking for a rejection and I'm looking for a strong sell. So we can see the sell so far has gone to the 50 on the Fibonacci. This is a daily Fibonacci I've drawn. So these zones are pretty big. So it's dropped to a 50. And what am I expecting if it breaks through this level? Which we can see it's kind of breaking through it now. Right there. You can see it's broke through here. And this is a 4-hour chart. So if it wants to keep selling, where else can it go to? So around about here. So let's just make this a bit better for us so we can find some more exact levels of what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to go here again. I'm going to add a horizontal line. So you can see here, I've added a horizontal line. But let's just change this color as well. So we'll change this one to white just so we can see it. Yep. Change that to white. And then I'm going to add one here again. Right at the top. So now you can see here why I have even more levels in terms of what could possibly happen if gold was to break this resistance zone right here. We can see clear as day that we have a zone here at 1844 where price could drop from. 1838 was around about my safe enough zone where I said you can enter a trade from, so it's around about here, not too far off from where it actually stopped, so you still had a good position. But then my second sell zone was around about 1854. So I was looking at if it goes here, and I set a pending order there as well myself, and I was telling everybody in my free general group on Discord. If you'd like to join that group, the link will be in the description below, so just click there and you should be able to join the Discord group where I give out most of these trade analysis. I use TradingView to do this. I'm just showing people that have MT4 phone applications maybe only, and I know a lot of people seem to like the phone application videos, so I'll just keep doing them for now. 1838, I've got an 1844 and an 1854, all possible sell level zones. But I've left my entry in here and I've got a pending order at the top because I didn't want to have too many. So when we're in a 1 hour time frame, you can see this a bit better. Price has come up here once, it's rejected again off of this level that was already marked out from Friday for me. What happened? This day here, which was Tuesday, massive sell that managed to go all the way down to the 50%. I was able to bank some profits from this trade right here. Then we even went again one more time. I added some more lots here and I was making a joke in my group saying round 1, round 2, and then when it did this one, just like my song, this one here, round 3. She ain't lasted more than 3 rounds. Nah, gold wasn't lasting no more than 3 rounds there. Just look at that. Boom. Managed to catch another one. All of these trades and all of these positions I was given call outs to in my free Discord group. I don't do this all the time, but most of the time when I do get a chance to, I try and help out people. Like I say, I do have my VIPs, but I do manage to try and help out the people in the free group as well. So clear as day, you can see there was a sell here, sell here, sell here. So currently a lot of us are still in this sell at the moment, and we're looking to possibly take it down to this next level here, hopefully so, at least here. This is where my get out point might be. You can hold it a bit more if you want to because it can keep going down the Fibonacci levels. Where would you have entry into this trade, or how would you put your stop loss? Let's go into that. Go to the 15-minute time frame. When you're in the 15-minute time frame, you can see clear as day right now. What happens here? When you wanted to get in this trade here, coming into how I show you in the sessions video. Yep, if you check the last video that I uploaded, I will put the link in the description below. You can see right now that this would have been New York session. So as soon as New York session happened, now I'm looking for a move in gold, and I would have been able to get this trade right here into gold and catch this sell going all the way down here straight away. You see, once again, I tell people I do not scalp gold. I trade gold off of key levels because that's when you get the best moves. I say this all the time. People ask me every 5 seconds, what's gold doing? What's gold doing? Is gold going to buy? Is it going to sell? I keep telling them, be patient. Key level, drawn, waiting. Hits the key level once, rejects off the key level, comes back to the key level again. I couldn't get a position in here. I believe I did get one position in here as well. But then I know I definitely caught this one here and I doubled up on my lots. Caught this one, went all the way down. What happened again? Look at today. Went to this key level one more time again. This time I put in a massive lot here. I put in like an 11 lot. Managed to catch this all the way down and told everybody, wait for the TDI crossover. I'm on the 15-minute chart to gain entry here. You can see the TDI crossed here. So you would have got in on this next candle. I'll zoom in so you can see a bit better. See, so you would have got in on this candle right here. You'd have been able to catch this sell and take this sell all the way down to here. Perfect. And I told people all evidence is there in my Discord saying when the TDI crosses on the 15-minute time frame, get your sell in. Obviously, I know a bit more things that I teach in my mentorship. So I was able to get in right here. I was explaining this to the VIPs as well in my paid VIP group. If you'd like to get into that, just join the Discord and direct message me and I'll be able to get you into the paid VIP group. And now you're going to say, okay, how would I know when to get out of this trade? Let's say you went into this one here. You can see you had entry right here, right there. You're coming out of this trade when the TDI crossed right here. I also told people that this was news that brought it back up. I said news is probably going to buy this pair back up. I wouldn't be surprised. You would have come out about here. Yep. So you would have only made these pips going down from here, going down to about here. This is all you would have made. So for me, when I see things like this, and look, it hit the key level we already had here as well. This is your indication as well to be able to get out of this trade. But cool. So even if you didn't and you got a day, still made some pips in that. When it did it again, what happened this time? So it was one test to this key level down here, which is the 50% on a daily Fibonacci. Then it went again up here. You see, same thing. You wouldn't have come out of this trade to here again, same as that level. So you should have used your Forex knowledge to know that I might be coming out around this level again. Or if you're not coming out of this trade entirely, you're taking partial profits. I take partial profits. I do it all the time. When trades are coming from here to here, I'm not just exiting my trade straight away or leaving them running and it goes and hits stop loss. I will take partial profits, and that's what I did. And that's how I was able to have 3 rounds of trading with gold so far. And if you're asking where your stop loss would be, let's go over to another time frame. So if I'm in this trade and I'm holding this trade from here and it's selling, then my stop loss would be above this zone here. And then I'm looking to have my TPs around this zone here, maybe around this zone here as well, and so on. So my stop loss would be above here, and I'm looking to get that trade. So I've shown you how to gain entry, where you could put your stop loss, how I do some type of technical analysis with market structure in this. Of course, I have so much more to teach and to give even more precise entries into gold. Once again, if you want to get into that, just hit me up and get into VIP. I'm telling you, like, don't blow your account, don't miss out. Everybody joins VIP, and the first thing they say after 1 week of being in VIP, they say to me, I can't believe I took so long to get into VIP. And I'm just like, I tell people all the time, but if they don't want to listen to me, that's up to them. And remember, I'm giving away these types of trades for free. So people are collecting pips in this game. They are. Look, while I'm talking to you, it's ridiculous. Gold is still selling while I'm talking to you right now, guys and girls. Gold is still dropping. I'm giving this out. So don't just think about the money in Forex and think, oh, I need to make £50. I need to make £100 today. Is Big John going to give me trade? Yes, please. No, invest into yourself, because the investment you're going to get from the knowledge I'm going to be able to teach you is going to take you so much further than even what I'm just showing here in these YouTube videos. So hit me up. And on that note, I'm going to have to love you and leave you. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy, Big John. I'm out.
You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same show. So please be quiet. I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same show. So please be quiet. I'm being polite.
Hey yo, T-Beats, you killed this one, no cap.
Ice cubes up in my cup. If it's spice, one pour it up. She's a bad influence and looking like one of us.